So, guys, welcome again. After a few days, like about 5, 6 days, I now decided that I should start feeding them because the pecking became so aggressive at some stage. I concluded that it must be that the previous person that occupied that room, it's a guest house, must have been feeding them. So, and I got some breadcrumbs and I placed it in their path. So let's watch as they feed on these breadcrumbs. But why do they still peck at the glass despite the food that is available to them? Please comment below.